Hi everyone, it's Rachelle with Real Time Roundup, and we are talking dental health and smiles today on the show. And I would love to introduce you to Dr. Reddy, who has opened during the COVID pandemic, but a brand new and beautiful dental office here in Round Rock, Texas. Oral health is something I think so many of us take for granted, but it's something that we really cannot take for granted. So we wanted to educate people a little bit about their smile and also introduce you, Dr. Reddy, to the community. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Reddy, and we just opened this office, just like Rachelle said, just last year. Yes, dental health is very important because it's connected to the rest of the medical conditions too, just like diabetes and some heart conditions as well. So everyone know by this time that taking care of teeth is very important at least twice a year, especially to keep your medical conditions in check.
Do you find that most patients actually adhere to the 2 times a year recommendation? I know I do because I actually like to have my teeth cleaned, and I'm maybe one of the strange people, but I always feel better. And like you said, your oral health can be an indicator of maybe some other issues happening within your body.
That is correct. So we see a lot of gum issues and periodontal issues with people who have diabetes, and that can be caught as one of the first symptoms if they're not diagnosed anytime before.
So folks, if you don't have a dentist, here's your tip. Make the appointment. So SmileWell Dental is located at 3001 Joe DiMaggio Boulevard. If you're a local resident, you will know that this area, kind of by the new Kalahari Resort, is really booming in Round Rock. And you opened during the pandemic.
That is correct. So it was not easy, but it was an advantage too, because we are prepared for any infectious diseases that's going to come in the future as well. So our office is fixed with HEPA filters that's going to filter the air much faster than a regular HVAC would. We have closed door ops in the office, and we have limited appointments so that you're not interacting with multiple patients. It's just going to be our team and you.
Yeah, and with the Delta variant kind of raging through the Austin area, we have chosen to remain safe and to keep the masks on despite being vaccinated, and that's one of the things you're asking for folks. You won't find a lot of people waiting in this gorgeous Rachelle waiting room.
Yes, that's correct. So we see only 1 patient every hour, so that you're not interacting with any other people.
Fabulous. Let's take folks on a little bit of a tour. We're in the main waiting room area here, and then we're going to take a little bit of a walk. I love this. I love the decor. I love the wall. This is the front of the office where the different receptionist desks are.
That is correct. And they can help you with your entrance stuff and everything so that you're well informed before your appointment.
Wonderful. Here we have a sneak peek at one of the treatment rooms. Dr. Reddy, how many treatment rooms do you have?
So we have 4 right now, and once COVID gets better, probably we'll open up more.
Okay, wonderful. Let's go in here real quick and talk a little bit about some of the specialties that you offer your patients. So preventative dentistry is one, but you also specialize in cosmetic dentistry.
That is correct. So we do all cosmetic procedures like veneers, crowns, and bridges, and also offer Invisalign to our patients if they're not happy with their smile, along with veneers.
Okay.
To add on to their treatment to get a better result.
One of the tenets of your practice is you practice very gentle techniques. I know a lot of folks out there may have a little anxiety when it comes to going to the dentist. What are some of the things, the extra steps you take to make people feel at ease?
So especially most of the times, the complaint that I heard from patients is the dentist never paid attention when they were complaining that they were in pain. Okay. So that's something that we would avoid. We absolutely make sure that they're completely numb. And we have weighted blankets, we offer nitrous oxide if you're anxious, and we have noise canceling headphones for bothered by the sound of the drill and the suctions, and also TVs so that they can be occupied.
I don't know if you can see that here. So while folks are laid back in the dental chairs,
Yes.
they can actually kind of tune out and watch a show, Netflix, Disney Plus, all that
Yes,
good stuff.
that's
Awesome.
correct.
Let's keep going. You also do some of the more complicated dental procedures, crowns and bridges, implants.
That's correct.
Okay. Is there a particular reason, Dr. Reddy, why you chose the profession? Like, what inspired you to become a dentist?
So me as a kid also had, I had a dental trauma. I chipped my front tooth, and it was a pretty embarrassing period for me because I used to be picked at in school because of that chipped tooth.
Oh.
And the day I got it fixed, it was the best day for me. So I wanted to do that every day.
Okay, and so you do that as well. So if somebody
Yes.
has a cracked tooth, a chipped tooth, and they're feeling uncomfortable, I hate that kids do that, but sometimes it happens. And you had such a wonderful experience with the dentist that took care of you. You said, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life.
Yeah, that made it better because I know what they're feeling. Like, I can stand in their shoes and imagine what's going on. So.
Yeah, your smile really is kind of a window to the world, right? It's the first thing that people oftentimes notice when they see you. You can't see our smiles, but we're doing this to be COVID safe. But it does make people feel at ease, and if you have something off with your smile, it can probably make you a little self-conscious.
That's correct. Yeah, we get that very frequently. Like, people come in and they're not comfortable smiling because they want to get their teeth fixed and they're not confident about their smile.
Yeah, and you can help them with that. You also offer Invisalign
That is correct.
that can help straighten any crooked teeth.
Yes.
Okay, and we're going to go in this room here because we want to introduce you to a patient. His name is Victor Gonzalez. And Mr. Gonzalez, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
I am well. So you have been a patient of Dr. Reddy's for how many years now?
5 years now.
5 years now. And talk to us about the kind of care you've received over that time.
So I've come in for regular checkups, cleaning, and as far as the technique that Dr. Reddy uses, she's very soft, very, I have kind of anxiety when I come to the dentist, and she's able to ease that a little bit.
Yeah, I have it too, and I want to be fully numb. So if you're going to be, if I feel that nerve pain, I don't want to feel that nerve pain, right? So if you really just could 5-star review.
Yes, all the way. I mean, like I said, I've been going to her for 5 years when she was at another location, so I kind of followed her here and been going to her ever since.
Dr. Reddy, talk to us a little bit. Even though this practice is new, you are not a new dentist. So you tell us about your experience.
So I've been practicing for the past 10 years in Texas for the past 5 years. I used to work in an office in Carpisco and Temple, and finally I took the step and opened my office here.
This is fabulous. Your mission, I love, is to provide transparent, conservative dentistry in a modern and comfortable environment.
That is correct.
One patient at a time.
Yes.
Now, if people would like to book an appointment, I also love the fact that you can do it the old traditional way, call, but you're very tech savvy here, so people can actually make an appointment online?
That is correct. So they can always go on the website or go on our Facebook or Instagram page, and they'll find the link to make their appointments online.
Awesome, awesome. So any last minute advice for people out there when it comes to taking care of their teeth?
So just the basic things, just brush twice every day, floss every day, keep in mind with the sugary stuff, and visit your dentist at least twice every year for sure.
Awesome, awesome. Well, I can tell you definitely have a gentle soul and a true passion for treating patients. The name of the practice again is SmileWell Dental, and you're located again at 3001 Joe DiMaggio Boulevard in the rapidly growing Round Rock, Texas area, right by the Kalahari Resort. The phone number, if people want to call to make an appointment.
It's 512-677-7411.
I know you're seeing patients the rest of the afternoon, so we'll say goodbye for now. Victor, it's lovely to meet you.
Likewise, man. Thank you.
All right, you're probably going to get a cleaning as soon as this is done. Thank you so much, everybody. SmileWell Dental is a wonderful practice and a great opportunity for you to get you and your family's teeth healthy and cared for in a gentle, compassionate way. We'll see you next time.